I'm back with another Stitchfix unboxing. I know I'm a little obsessed with these things, but I figure I might as well show you just how great Stitchfix can be even with a modest wardrobe. I've talked about this a lot in the past, but I guess I'll mention it again. Stitchfix is just a subscription service that they send you 5 articles of clothing whenever you want it, or if you set up like a certain amount of time that you want it to arrive in. So like you can do like every 2 weeks or every month, or I think you can do up to every 3 months, but I just do it on demand. So I have to go in and say, hey, I want another box sent to me. Anyway, they send you 5 articles of clothing, and sometimes you can have jewelry or other accessories in there. I think they even do shoes, but I've never gotten shoes. So I just want to tell you guys, Stitch Fix has amazing customer service too. Every time I had an issue with them, every time I've had any sort of question or like slight problem, they fixed it right away with no, like they just fixed it way beyond what I would expect. So I didn't realize how crazy it was going to be to get this video done with so much going on in our house right now, and the post office is closed a lot because it's during the holidays. So I asked them if I could get an extension again. They gave me like 2 weeks to get this box back, which is amazing. I did not expect that much time, but I really appreciate it, and I really love their customer service. Anyway, I was just gonna open the box. Okay, I can go on and on and on about this service. I love it. It's amazing, but I also hate shopping, so maybe that's why I'm weird. So anyway, I'm gonna open the box now and stop talking about it. Okay, so you open the box and that's what it looks like. They have a return address, or return, everything's already on there. So all you have to do is drop it in, like whatever you don't want, you put in this bag and then you take it to the post office, or you can schedule the post office to pick it up, or you can drop it in any post office box that mails out, and it's that easy. It's really easy. And then you have style cards and a little letter, which I'll read later. And then they have the clothes. It looks like I actually got some jewelry this time. So, I should mention with this box, I said I wanted maternity clothes. They know what point I'm at in my pregnancy, and I wanted just comfortable stuff. Because I'm a stay-at-home mom right now, so I don't need anything like super fancy. At least not right now. I have a lot of stuff in my closet anyway, so. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna open the, I guess I'll open the clothes first. I don't know where to start. Alright. Oh, this is soft. What is this? It is a cardigan. This is dark purple. Looks red. Oh, that's really soft, and it's long. I've been wanting a long, soft cardigan for a long time, but I'm just not really sure about the color because I don't usually wear. Maybe it'll be fine. I guess maybe it's just this light. It looks red, but it says dark purple, so we'll try it on. What else? Okay, and it's a shirt. Oh, that's really cute. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. I'll try these on too, but yeah. I'll try them on too. I really hope you can see this okay. I'm trying a different lens today. I really need to get a different camera for vlogging. Because this is the camera I use for photography, and I'm just not used to setting up videos on it yet. Anyway, here's the other shirt, and it's really soft. Yay, so far I'm really happy. I'm going to want to keep everything again. And oh no, what did they send me? What is this? Leggings. They sent me leggings, which I'm not really sure why. I could wear it under a skirt, but I was hoping they would send me a skirt too. I guess I have a lot of skirts in my closet, so it's not like that big of a deal. And I wasn't that specific this time with what I wanted. I was pretty broad. So, I don't know. I probably won't keep these, honestly. I'm really picky about tights or leggings under skirts because they have to be like, I don't know, they're just never comfortable. I I don't usually wear them, honestly. But I'll try it on anyway. And there's one more thing. Okay, one more thing. Looks like jewelry. You know, honestly, their jewelry they've sent me before, and I don't usually keep it because it's a lot more expensive than what I would normally buy. Like, I feel like I could get the same quality at like Target, but for way cheaper. Like, if I really want, you know, this kind of jewelry. But we'll see. It's a necklace. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but I will. Uh-oh. Hopefully it's not all tangled. No! Okay, well, I'm gonna have to untangle this first. 1 second. I got it! So anyway, there it is. It's a necklace. It's still a little bit tangled. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, yeah. Well, actually, it's kind of cute. We'll have to look at the price and see before I decide. But anyway, I'm going to try these on really quick for you guys. I'm going to try it a little different than last time, so hopefully it'll work okay. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. Okay, I'll be back. So, hopefully you can see this okay. I'm trying, again, a different area of the house because we're got a lot of work going on where I used to record. This shirt, it's a Loveappella Maternity Charlote Ruched side maternity knit top. I probably said that totally wrong. So I really like this shirt. I have to wear something underneath it, but it's really soft and it covers, you know, it's pretty long, which is also an issue I have being so tall because a lot of stuff is way too short on me. I'll put the names down below for everything in order, and also I will put the prices so you can check those out. And the leggings, I'm going to set this down. Alright, so the leggings, I thought I could like them, but I absolutely hate them. Yeah, it's like the leggings that go up and over your bump, and I hate that. Like, I knew they were going to send me this because everyone else loves it when it goes up over your bump. I mean, I feel like most women do. I can't stand it. I don't know why. It's so tight. It's not tight. It's uncomfortable. I don't like wearing tights either, so there they are, a little better view of them. They're nice, they're warm, I'm sure other women would love them. It's just not my thing. Definitely not because it goes up and over my bump. Like, I'd much rather have the waist down underneath. So much more comfortable for me. But, oh well, they tried. Yeah, so not keeping the tights. The shirt, I might keep. There's a shirt again. And hopefully you can see it, but there's the necklace. I actually really like the necklace, but I gotta look at the price and see if it's something that I want to keep. So this one is the Conroy Maternity Delta top. I actually kind of like it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it though. I go back and forth about it. It's really soft and it's long and it's comfy. I don't usually wear plaid, but I don't know, I kind of like this color because it matches my eyes, and yeah, so we'll see. The leggings came off. I'm done with those. Here's the cardigan. Also the shirt, I want to show you the back. It has like a little, I don't know what you call it, keyhole right there. It's kind of cute, but I mean, I have to wear something underneath it anyway, so you won't see any skin. But if you don't wear stuff like this underneath shirts, it's like, you know, not too super low. It's really cute and comfy. But here's the cardigan. I'll show you guys before my camera has issues again. I'm having so many issues today with this recording, so hopefully it turns out. It's really soft and warm. Oh, I can just wear this all the time. Like I said, I'm not really sure about the color though. Hopefully you can see it okay. It's really long, comfy, and cozy. Perfect. But just the color is my issue, so. You guys see me? Before my camera shuts off, I just want to say, there's my face. Okay, before my camera shuts off, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I don't know what else you say for this. Alright, bye!